everyone, welcome to the very first hacks, tricks, techniques video from Daze Academy. In today's video, we are going to see a shortcut technique for doing divisions of fractions, but in an easy way. So let's reduce the size of Daze Academy. I create videos for my students, but at the moment I'm creating video for the public, I believe. So, okay, please don't get confused with KFC over here. There is a purpose for this. So, we are going to do divisions of fraction. So, let's start with the number. Let's take a fraction first of all. So, 2 by 3. It is going to get divided with, let's say, some odd numbers maybe, or any kind of number is, to be honest, possible. Let's take 5 by 7. So, here, the purpose of KFC comes. So, we are going to use this word KFC as our mnemonic. So, instead of Kentucky Fried Chicken, I want to remember, or I want you guys to remember, KCF, which means you keep this number as it is, you change this, and you flip this. So, let's do it. I'm going to keep the number 2 by 3 as it is. That's what K stands for. Then I'm going to change division to something, that is multiplication. Division's opposite is always multiplication. Multiplication's opposite is always division. Addition's opposite is subtraction. Subtraction's opposite is addition. So here I'm going to change this to multiplication. Let me write it a little bit this way. Okay. Flipping means doing upside down or doing reciprocal. So let's do it. 7 by 5. Now what do? Now we do the direct multiplication. Denominator with denominator, numerator with numerator. So hence, let's choose a black color for now. So we will do the multiplication. 2 times 7, which is going to be 14. 3 times 5, which is going to be 15. Now this is where it gets easier. So instead of doing any kind of division or making it go through a long process, all I'm doing over here is keep remembering the mnemonic of KFC as KCF. Keep, change and flip. K for keep the number as it is. Change the division to multiplication. Flip for make a reciprocal or make the number upside down. So 5 by 7 upside down would be 7 by 5. Do it. Numerator with numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. We get 2 times 7 as 14, 3 times 5 as 15. Hence, this number cannot be 14 by 15 cannot be reduced any further. It is basically in the standard form as it is. So, 14 by 15 would be my final answer. I hope you learned something for today's video and I hope this trick can be used for you in day-to-day life. All the best!